Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question: 4 exponent x minus 6 times 2 exponent x minus 16 equals 0. The first thing I'll do is to change the 4 to a base of 2. So we write it as 2 exponent 2x minus 6 exponent 2 times 2 to the power x minus 16 equals 0. Now the next thing is to use this rule to change 2 exponent 2x to 2 exponent x all squared. So that's how our equation looks like right now. The next thing is to replace 2 exponent x with a variable. So let's use u. So let u equals 2 exponent x. Now our equation is u squared minus 6u minus 16 equals 0. So what we have to do now is to solve this quadratic equation. Factorizing it, I have u minus 8 in one bracket and u plus 2 in another bracket, and their product equals 0. So the values for u are 8 and negative 2. At this point, we can bring back 2 exponent x. So if u equals 8, then 2 exponent x equals 8, and 8 is the same as 2 cubed. So now we know if the bases are the same, we can equate the powers. So we can equate x to 3. And also we had 2 exponent x equals negative 2, and this has no real solutions. So the only value for x is 3. So that's how you solve this question. Thanks for watching. Like this video, leave a comment, subscribe. Bye.